Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the settings, then go to the display and brightness, and here you have eye comfort mode, which is basically just a night mode. So you can change its screen color temperature, you can enable or disable colors on the screen. You can also add a schedule to it. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can add your own schedule, like select start time, end time, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.